A pair of the AirPods Pro 3. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. First thing is go to the settings on your Samsung TV. If you have the gear icon, the settings button on the remote, you can go from there. If not, just go to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, and then from here you want to move left, and then you want to go down to settings right there, select settings, and then you want to select all settings right there. From here, we're going to go down one to sound, OK on the remote. Now, sound output is currently coming out of my TV speakers, but we want it to come out of these. So let's select sound output. Let's go down to Bluetooth speaker list, select that. Now that little spinny thing is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these in pairing mode. Let's open this case up. And if you don't get a white blinking light right away, there's an invisible button right here. Double tap, 1, 2. Now it's blinking white. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's jump over here and see if it finds it. Let's grab the remote. Let's go down. AirPods Pro needs pairing. There it is. Go ahead and select that. Pair and connect. And I just heard a click chime on the buds. AirPods Pro is now connected. And then if I go up, you can see it says connected there. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.